Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back. I know it's been a really long time since I filmed, but I'm here to get back at it. And I'm going to start this week with this gorgeous, gorgeous Simply Succulents kit from Graceful Muse Paperie. It's foiled in rose gold. There's your bottom washi. Check your full boxes, quarter boxes, and the date covers and habit tracker, or weekly tracker, excuse me, and some washi strips. And then here's a gorgeous freebie that was from the Made in Canada sale, and this was a Facebook group freebie. You could only get it if you were part of the Graceful Muse Paperie Facebook group, and you had to make a note of that in notes when you were purchasing. I'm also a PR girl for the shop, and my code is JodyCake1, and that will be down below in the description box. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to first off just white out these dates because they tend to show through. I love these inserts from the 1407 planners, but the font is just a little bit dark and it shows through on a lot of the date covers. I'm going to do this line and this line as well because it's a little narrow for date covers. Boy, I'm really bad with the whiteout this week. And I'm just going to write out the bottom line. Again, it'll show through. I'm just using cheapy whiteout. I haven't ordered any of the better stuff from Amazon lately. Let me get this too. I think I'm going to bring the washi right across this week. So how's everybody been? It's been so long. I'm rusty. I feel like I've lost track of everything, and I have no excuse for all the time that I was off. Like zero excuse. I just didn't film. Okay. I'm going to take this all the way down to the bottom. I think that will fit straight across. I only have 6 full boxes, so normally I would put a box on Sunday as well, but this is the tiered freebie kit from Graceful Muse Paperie. However, she does have the kit in full kit, vertical kit, and a mini kit version of it in the shop. Just got to trim the edge of this. Her paper is so thick and buttery, and it's hard to cut through without cutting my page. Oh boy. So apparently it's going to take an hour and a half for me just to cut my washi because I'm afraid to cut through. There we go. Now we have it. And let's get the other side done. Oops, now my washi's going to stick to me. So this week is a really great week for me. I run a sale called the Planner Girls United sale, and it starts on Friday at 10 a.m. and it goes until Monday. And a lot of great shops. I've got 29 shops in it this time around, and they're from all over the world, not just Canada and US. We've got some from France and Australia and Singapore. So lots of shops. Oops. Boy, that didn't work. Okay, there. Now we've got it. Now we've got it. So let's get the date covers on. And the nice thing about this freebie is that Laura included date dots with it. So that's perfect. I don't have to go searching, and they're rose gold to match the kit. This is my PR planner. It's kind of a no bones planner. I'm pretty basic in it, some checklists and whatnot, so that I can mark the shops that I'm PRing for. Jesus. So my mouth is not going to work for me today. Yeah, so the shops that I PR for, I post them in here so I can keep track of them, and also any of my social media posts. Oh, I'm going to tear that up. This paper on these inserts from 1407 planners is absolutely gorgeous. It's nice and thick. However, it doesn't allow you to move the stickers around, even with them being removable matte. It just doesn't allow it, and I cannot get my hands on Undo here in Canada. That is not $25. And I am sorry, I am not paying that for a bottle of Undo. However, I could use it. I must say, it would definitely come in handy with this planner. I brought it back into rotation this year. I didn't use it at all last year. I was using my Impression Weeks, but I'm so much busier with my PR and my shop, my sale and whatnot, that I need more room. So this is last week's spread. This is a kit from Busy Bee Planners. It's really cute. So that was the 9th. So this week starts at the 10th. And today is the 10th while I'm filming. Like I said, these date dots are from this absolutely stunning planner freebie from the Facebook group. Something that Laura has just brought in. It was new for the sale, for the Made in Canada sale. That's a sale you really should shop from, because even if you're in the US, the Canadian dollar is less than the US dollar, so you get more for your money, and the shipping to US isn't as bad as what it is the other way around. Okay, so let me get these full boxes in. I'm going to put this pretty one down here at the bottom. So who have you been watching bird planning videos? I have a few people that I like to watch. I keep mostly every week. Laura Lee Plans, Rachel from the Gathered Plans. My girlfriend Cricket has a channel, Planner Nina Cricket. She does the cutest layouts. We PR for the same teams, or quite a few of the same teams. She always has a stunning layout. She's a no white space planner, so her style is completely different than mine. But she's a sweetheart. I love her very much. So you should check out her channel. I'll put the link below. And my other friend Teresa from Teresa Plans. She also has a channel. And I'll put her link below too. And go check them out. Anyana. We're going to be doing a collab sometime in the next month with a kit from Graceful Muse Paperie. It's a stunning kit. We're all of us going to do a collab, and we're going to answer some this or that questions about fall. So that should be fun. There, so I've got those laid down. And let's get some headers in. I should have put them at the top, but I didn't, so they're not getting done. We'll just do the one row of them. These headers came with this this freebie kit, but you can always buy them as an add-on for every kit that's in the shop, and you can have them foiled to any color, which is nice. And also with it, there's an add-on sheet for icons, and they're really pretty. They're in different colorways to match the kits. And this freebie had a little icon sheet that came with it, a little freebie sheet, so that's cute too. All right, so let's get into the plans. Monday is today, like I said, and I like to keep track of my Instagram account. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to be all over the map, and I'm going to find that header sheet again, and I'm going to put them up here along the top. Start my columns off nice. So hopefully things are turning back to normal in your locations. I know a lot of schools are heading back in, and some are staying home and doing virtual learning. My grandbabies are going back to school, which is nice. They've been off for so long. They're doing a nice on-again, off-again schedule, so one day about. And so I think they'll be pretty safe. Canada doesn't have that many cases, and I think the whole country right now we have 200 and some odd cases, as opposed to what the U.S. is going through. I feel so bad for the U.S. They're really getting hammered. So next I'm going to put my film down because I'm filming. And so I get to put that in, like this pretty box with the bow. There. So we'll put the film, and I'm going to upload it probably tomorrow, although if I get around to it I might do it today, but I'm going to put it in for tomorrow. Get those both out of the way. There. So get those done. I also am using my Print Impression Monthly for my pre-planning, and this is a kit from Simply Beautiful Plans. It's just stunning. You can have it foiled in any color, and I'll have a link down below for them because I'm also a PR girl for them. And so let me put a Facebook icon for all of the days that I need to post in Facebook. So today I did some for the PGU sale, and I'll leave a link below for the group down below so you can see all of the shops that are in the sale and what their discount codes are and links to the shops, so you can do some shopping and get your carts ready, because there's a lot of great freebies. And the 11th, I have a Facebook post there for Pink Polka Dot Lily, and I'm also a PR girl for her. And then here on the 15th, I have another one. And then I'm going to put a big half box in, fancy half box in on Friday, because this is the day that my sale goes live. And I have a script that was made for me by the Prairie Planner. So the sale is live that day. So I think that's all of that. And let me get some checklists in. What do I do with those headers? I might need to cut these. These are from Simply Beautiful Plans. Yeah, I need to cut it. Just a little bit too long. These also you can have done in different foils. I'm also, I already told you I'm a PR for Simply Beautiful Plans, but the codes will be below. There. And I will need to trim it as well for this one. On Thursday. Lots of maintenance this week for the sale. So I've got big long checklists to put in. Keep me on task. There. Sundays I take off, but normally I don't, I just put a full box there. But I think that I'm going to put a checklist because I think I'm going to be busy that day as well with posting. And I'm going to cut this in half and just make it 3 checklists. Get that in. Oops. Boy, that was going down crooked. And I love this weekend banner, and normally these would have separate columns, but in this planner, Saturday and Sunday share a column. So I think I'm going to put it in from Friday on, because that's when the sale runs, and it's a weekend sale. So I'm going to run that right through. And I'm going to use one of these flourish pieces on Saturday because it's pretty and I can. Boy, that box is really crooked. I'm going to also put one here on Monday. And I think that's all I'm going to use off of here. Oh, maybe we'll do coffee. No, I've already done the other stuff. So that is what my layout looks like for this week. A short video for the first time around. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely check out Graceful Muse Paperie. Like I said, I'll have the link below. She has the most stunning foiled kits. Please check back. I will be back next week and do another video. And I look forward to seeing you again. Thank you for visiting. Please give my video a thumbs up and hit the subscription box, the notification bell, so you'll know when my next video comes. Thanks very much. Have a great day. Bye now.